Take command of the road in the 2019 GMC Acadia. It features an automatic transmission, front-wheel drive, and a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, a trip computer, an outside temperature display, fully automatic headlights, heated door mirrors, remote keyless entry, and one-touch window functionality. Third-row seats expand the maximum passenger capacity to 7. Audio features include an AM/FM radio, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 6 well-positioned speakers. Safety equipment has been integrated throughout, including dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, front and side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, ignition disabling, OnStar, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control ensures solid grip atop the road surface, no matter how challenging the driving conditions. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.